Hello dear student, how are you? I hope you are well. So in this video we will discuss about the topic polygon. This topic is very important for the class 8th standard. So let's start. Polygon. What is the definition of polygon? A polygon is a closed curve made of line segments. At least 3 sides should be there. It's called polygon. Polygon is a two-dimensional shape. Polygon is a two-dimensional shape. It means it can be drawn in the plane. So a closed figure which can be drawn in a plane and it has at least 3 sides or line segment is called polygon. Now next, types of polygon. Polygon can be classified according to different criteria. First of all, according to its shape, it can be classified as convex and concave polygon. So what is convex polygon? So convex polygon is a polygon in which all its sides are pointing outward. So you can see in this figure there are different figures. So in this triangle, in this all sides and vertex are pointing outwards. Okay, so it is in the category of convex polygon. Similarly, you can see in this pentagon, in this all vertices are pointing outward. Similarly, in the quadrilateral, in this quadrilateral rhombus, and this is another figure. So in the convex polygon, all its sides are pointing outwards. Clear? Now come to the next, concave polygon. So in concave polygon, what is the definition of concave polygon? A polygon is said to be a concave if one or more than its interior angle is greater than 180 degree. So in a concave polygon, at least one angle should be greater than 180 degree, or the angle between 180 to 360 degree. So this angle is called the reflex angle. So you are seeing that in this angle is greater than 180 degree. Similarly, in this figure, this interior angle is greater than 180 degree, or we can say there is a reflex angle. So in this convex polygon, one or more interior angle should be reflex angle. Next figure, in this there is a at least one angle is more than 180 degrees, so it is called the concave polygon. Next type, regular and irregular polygon. So in regular and irregular polygon, first we will talk about the regular polygon. What is the definition? In a regular polygon, a polygon is said to be regular if both it is equiangular and equilateral. Equiangular, it means equi means equal and angular means angles. It means each interior angle of this polygon are equal, and equilateral means each sides are equal. So in a regular polygon, all sides are equal and all interior angles are equal. Now come to the irregular polygon. So in irregular polygon, uh, it's the reverse of regular polygon. In this polygon, a polygon is said to be irregular if it is not equiangular and equilateral. So in any polygon is said to be irregular if its sides are not equal and interior angles are not equal. For example, trapezoid or trapezium, isosceles triangle, irregular pentagon, etc. These are the example of irregular polygon. Now come to the next point, name of the polygon according to number of sides. So polygon has different name according to number of side. So for if it is three, there is three sides, then it will this name is called the triangle. So we have earlier discussed in the definition, in a polygon at least three sides should be there. This is the minimum criteria to be a polygon. Next is the quadrilateral. In quadrilateral there is a four number of sides. Next, pentagon in the five number of sides. In hexagon, six number of side. In heptagon, seven sides. Octagon, eight number of side. In nonagon, there are nine sides. In decagon, there are 10 number of sides. So these are the name of the polygon according to number of sides. So these are the figure of the different polygon. So this is the triangle in which there are three sides. This is the quadrilateral or rectangle. Rectangle is a type of quadrilateral. There is a four sides. Next, it is also a quadrilateral. There are four sides. Its name is rhombus. So in the quadrilateral there are four number of sides, and the types of quadrilateral are square, rhombus, next rectangle, kite, parallelogram. So these are the examples of the quadrilateral. These are the types of quadrilateral: square, rhombus, kite, rectangle, parallelogram, etc. Now the next is pentagon. In this pentagon there are five number of side. So in case of regular pentagon, there are five equal number of sides, and each interior angle is equal. Each interior angle are regular pentagon are equal. Now come to the next, hexagon. In case of hexagon there are six number of sides. In a regular hexagon there are six number equal number of sides, and each angle are equal. So you can calculate the value of each interior angle in the case of regular hexagon. How can you calculate? You can calculate it by dividing by 360 degree to 6. So it will be 60 degree. So each interior angle in a regular hexagon is 60 degree. Similarly in the heptagon there are seven number of side. So in each interior angle in case of heptagon, we will divide it 360 degree to 7. So its value will be 7 5 is 35, 151 point something. It's each interior angle. Now next slide, come to the next slide, octagon. In this octagon there are eight number of side. So in the case of regular octagon, we can draw this figure: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are the eight number of sides in a octagon, and in the regular octagon there are eight equal number of side, and each interior angles are equal in regular octagon. To calculate the value of each interior angle in a regular octagon, we can divide it by 8. 8 4 is 32, remaining 4 40, 8 5 is 40. 45 degree is the each interior angle in case of octagon. Now come to the next figure, decagon. So in case of decagon there are 10 number of sides. So its value of each interior angle will be 360 divided by 10. So it will be 36 degree. So these are the types of polygon and its name. Now come to the next slide. So in this slide there are some facts which are very important for this topic. So fact number 1, total number of all exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. So exterior angle means angle which made outside the polygon. It is called the exterior angle. Fact number 2, in a quadrilateral there is a type of polygon. Quadrilateral is a type of polygon in which has four number of sides. So we have discussed this fact earlier in the previous slide. So in quadrilateral there are four number of side, and its type of quadrilateral we have also discussed. Point number 3, square and equilateral triangle are example of regular polygon, because in the square all four sides are equal and each interior angle is right angle and equal. Its value is 90 degree. Similarly, in case of regular polygon, equilateral triangle, there are three equal number of sides, three congruent sides, and each interior angle is 60 degree. So it is in the category of regular polygon. Fact number 4, kite. Kite is a type of quadrilateral. Kite is a special type of quadrilateral. So in case of kite, its adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal. So it is a special type of quadrilateral. Next, trapezium is a quadrilateral with one pair. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of one parallel side. So we can understand by this figure. It is a trapezium. In this trapezium, its opposite sides are parallel. One of the pair of opposite sides are parallel and other pair is not parallel in the trapezium. Come to the point number 6, parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. In case of parallelogram, all its opposite sides are parallel. So you can see here opposite sides are parallel and equal. So opposite sides are parallel and equal in case of parallelogram. So these are the facts about the polygon. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. So if you really enjoyed this, then like and share video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.